Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to talk about indications or uses of beta blockers. So let's get started. So first we will know some cardiac diseases that we can treat with beta blockers. We know we mainly use beta blockers to lower the blood pressure. So of course we can treat uh, hypertension with beta blockers. Then we can also treat some cardiac arrhythmias. Then for ischemic heart diseases, for example angina. Then also for acute and chronic heart failure, and also for after acute phase of anterior myocardial infarction. So these are some diseases, cardiac diseases that we can treat with beta blockers. Now we will know some neurological disease for that we can use beta blockers. For example, migraine headache. For migraine headache we can use beta blockers. Then for performance tremor, for this we can use low dose of propranolol. Then for some other diseases we can use beta blockers, glaucoma, then hyperthyroidism or thyrotoxicosis. For these sometimes we can also use beta blockers. So these are the some uses of beta blockers. I hope this video will help you. See you with a new video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.